See our shell? I'm going to load it up for us. We're hot.
Top left.
We're hot. You good? Now let me get our television screen. Let me kind of get it lined up here. I am so proud of you, boy. You know, I've been wanting to do this for a while with you.
Yeah.
But I've just been waiting for you to get old on me.
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? Okay.
Right, let's do it
Here's
again.
the screen. Are you ready, bud?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to do, here's the screen right here. See the crosshairs? Okay.
Fire.
There's that. Does that look good to you?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You ready to fire?
I'm moving a little bit more.
Move it a little more. There you go. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to give you your button. Are you ready? Push that red button.
Woo!
Bam! That's a shot.
What'd you think of that?
Oh.
Oh, your mom is going to be wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh man, that was so awesome.
Was that fun?
I want to do it again.
You want to do it? Well, we can do it again, young man.
Again and again.
You got 3 more.